Hello and welcome to another ICT class. Today I want us to look at how we can make an attractive document in MS Word. An article is simply a document which is explaining something or it is about a certain story. A good example of an article could be a magazine. When you go through a magazine or a newspaper, you can see its pages are well formatted with attractive colors. You can see the way text is flowing and how text is grouped. It looks attractive to the readers. And that is exactly what we want to do today. So in this exercise, I am going to do a couple of things. The first thing I want to do is to show you how we can edit pictures. Especially when you want to design an attractive document, you must ensure that some of the pictures which will appear together are of the same size. We don't want to get to the habit of squeezing pictures. You keep on stretching them, squeezing them. That makes the pictures lose quality. So the first and most important thing is to ensure that you know how to edit pictures. Once you know how to edit pictures, then you will be able to use edited pictures of same size in the article, and you will not need to keep on squeezing and stretching them and ensure that everything looks attractive by the time you are finishing your document. I will go ahead and show you how to edit pictures first. Now on this desktop, I have a folder. I'm going to open it. You can see in the folder, I have two pictures, one for planted forest and another one for natural forest. These two pictures are of different sizes. I want to edit them in MS Paint so that each of them will have a width of 400 and a height of 200. By width, I mean the length of the picture from left to right, and by height, I mean the length of the picture from top to bottom. Another name for width will be horizontal length, and another name for height is vertical length. So let me start with the first picture. I'm going to edit it in MS Paint. I will right click the picture and choose open with paint. Now you can see in this picture here, there are some things which are shown here. Here you can see the size of the picture. The width is 3,456 and the height is 232,304 pixels. Pixels are units for measuring the length and height in computers. Like in mathematics, you see length is measured in meters, centimeters, but in computer we use pixels, and the abbreviation for the pixel is px. So it means the size of this picture is 3,456 by 2,304. I want to make this picture to be 400 by 200. The first thing is to resize. I will point here and you can see this icon written resize. Click it. When this box appears, I will choose pixels because I'm measuring my length in pixels. Then horizontal is the width of the picture and vertical is the height of the picture. Start with the horizontal and make it 400. Then just click OK. After that, you can see now the size of the picture changed to 400 by 266. So with width, we are done. So what we are going to do now is to go to this height because we want 200 and this is 266. we are going to crop away or cut away 66 from this height. So you will just click here, select, point to the left edge of the picture where you want to start taking the top part. Okay, when I point to the edge, you can see here, down here, just check here, it will start with 0. So always ensure that it is starting with 0. I want to take a shot from this part, so I'm pointing to the left side of the picture, the left edge, until it is 0, and press it down the mouse button. I will move to the right side of the picture until down there it reads 400. Now I will go downwards until I reach 200. You should be very exact. So you can see my selection is 400 by 200. I will release the mouse button, and now you can see here the size of the selection is 400 by 200, and which is this selection part. I'm going ahead and click crop, and now my picture is 400 by 200. You can see size 400, 200. I'm going to click save, and I'm going to close this. So that picture is done. Let me go to the other one. Right click, open with paint, and you can see here my picture is 1182 by 887 pixels. So I want it to be 400 by 200 pixels. So I will just come here, point to this resize handle, click it, choose pixels here, and sure you are done with the horizontal one. I want 400 in the horizontal, which is width. Vertical, don't interfere with it. You just come and click OK. Now you can see the picture is 400 by 300, but we want the height or the vertical part to be 200. So I will come here, now click select, point to the left edge of this picture, from the top part from where I want to extract the final picture. So I will just point to the edge until it reads 0 down there. You can see now it is 0, 42. Now I will press down the mouse button and start selecting the picture until the right edge it hits 400. Now I go downwards until it reaches 200. So the selected part is 400 by 200. Now I can release the button, and I will come here and click crop. Now my picture is 400 by 200. I will save my picture. So I have two pictures of the same size. Now the last thing you are going to do is to format your document. You can see here I have written the text for the document, but I have not formatted it. To format means to make it look attractive by applying styles. So the first thing I want to do is to select this title. I am looking for a nice font here for my document. I think I will go with Chila. Let me choose Chila here. Then I will make it red and increase its size to that one. That is 48. Let me take 36. I'm done with the title. The next thing I want to do, I want to make these two lines into a numbered list. So I will select them like that, come to my numbering here, and I want to choose this one with bracket like that. Then the next thing I want to do, I want to change the font of all this text. So I will select it like this. I will select everything, come back here, let me look for a nice font. Just scroll like this and you preview. Let me just choose book Antigua, this one. I decided to go for that. And now you can see my document is here. I want to select this. You see here, I want to make it into 2 columns. 2 vertical lines are what we call 2 vertical lines of text are what we call columns. Right now it is in 1 column. It is just 1 vertical line. The text makes 1 vertical line. Now I want to split it in the middle to form two columns. So I will just come here in the page layout here. You can see we have columns. Right now 1 is selected. I want to make it 2, so I will just click here and I make it into 2 columns like that. After that, I will just select this title and choose a nice font. Let me just choose let me go with this Berlin Sans MS. Okay, and let me increase the size to 14. Berlin Sans MS. I will also select this one and choose Berlin Sans MS, Berlin Sans FB, Berlin Sans FB, and also make this 14 in size like that. Then I want to color these titles green color, so I'll just come here and make them green color. Then this one green color like that. Now I have some lines here. I want them to be in bullets, so I will just select them like this. Come here and choose these square bullets. Then this space is very big here, so I will come here to this handle, this box, press it down and move it to the edge like this until the first icon here touches the edge of this gray part. Even this one, I want to change it into bullets. I will select it like this and choose the square bullets. Come to my handle here, click this lower box, this one. You will see a broken straight line. Then move until the first item there touches the gray part. So you can see now my document is well formatted. So what I want to do next, I want to insert a picture of natural forest here and a picture of planted forest here. So I will come to the beginning of the first sentence like that and press enter, so that I create a space above the first line. So I have clicked the empty space now where I want to put the picture. I will click insert picture, come to my desktop, open my forestry folder, then I will look for my natural forest picture, click it, then click insert. It is done. It is within the column. I will also come here before the beginning of this first sentence of planted forest, press enter, come back and click my empty line where I want to insert picture, click insert picture, planted forest, insert. Now you can see my document is now well formatted with pictures, and these pictures are of the same size and the document looks attractive. Students, go ahead and try this at home, and that is how we format articles to look beautiful and attractive. Thank you for attending this lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.